Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern architectural design of a sleek, open-concept house with large glass walls, surrounded by lush tropical foliage, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and contemporary living. The scene is set in a vibrant garden filled with rich greens and bursts of colorful flowers. The house features warm, inviting lighting that glows from within, highlighting a cozy interior with minimalistic furniture, a plush sofa, and tasteful decor. The exterior combines natural materials with a striking red shipping container, creating a striking contrast against the greenery. A modern, two-story house made of shipping containers, featuring vibrant orange and black exteriors, set in a lush tropical environment. The structure showcases large glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery, allowing natural light to illuminate the interior. The setting includes a wooden deck leading to a garden filled with various tropical plants, ferns, and vibrant greenery. The atmosphere is serene and inviting, evoking a warm and cozy feel. The scene is portrayed in a hyperrealistic style, with attention to detail in the textures of the plants and the sleek lines of the architecture. Modern, minimalist house nestled within a lush green forest, featuring large glass windows that create a seamless connection with nature. The structure has an organic, flowing design with smooth lines and a flat roof adorned with vibrant greenery. The exterior is a combination of wood and concrete, incorporating warm tones and natural materials. The setting is rich with various shades of green, punctuated by colorful flowers and ferns around the base of the house. The interior glimpsed through the windows showcases a cozy living area with soft, neutral colors, wooden accents, and modern furniture. Modern architectural house nestled in a lush, green forest setting, employing a hyperrealistic style with sharp details. The structure features large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery, creating a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. The facade combines dark wood and sleek black elements, highlighting contemporary design. In the foreground, a well-manicured lawn with vibrant ferns and tropical plants creates a natural frame, while stone steps lead to the entrance. Modern modular house surrounded by lush greenery, combining sleek architecture with natural elements, emphasizing harmony with the environment. The facade features large glass walls allowing an abundance of natural light, showcasing a cozy living space with warm wood accents and minimalistic furniture. Steps lead up to the entrance, made of smooth concrete, flanked by vibrant plants and shrubs. The setting is in the early evening, casting a golden glow through the trees, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. Utilize hyperrealistic details to capture textures of the plants, the glass reflections, and the warm interior lighting. Modern house exterior nestled in a lush tropical forest, showcasing sleek, minimalist architecture with large glass walls that open to nature. The front yard features a well-manicured garden with a mix of vibrant green plants and textured gravel paths, leading to a wooden deck. The warm glow of ambient lighting inside the house brightens the inviting interior, which is visible through the glass. The scene captures a serene atmosphere at sunset, with soft amber and green hues dominating the color palette, creating a harmonious blend of natural and architectural beauty. A contemporary architectural pathway leading through a lush garden, featuring a sleek, modern entrance with large glass panels and a wooden overhang. The pathway is lined with vibrant greenery, including tropical plants and colorful flowers, particularly bright orange and yellow blooms. The pots are in bold orange, standing out against the rich greens of the foliage. The scene evokes a serene atmosphere, with dappled sunlight filtering through the trees in a hyperrealistic style, emphasizing organic textures and vivid colors. A modern architectural masterpiece situated in a lush, tropical garden, characterized by large glass windows and sleek lines, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and design. The house features a flat, cantilevered roof that extends over a spacious patio area, framed by vibrant greenery and ornamental plants. The color palette includes earth tones and natural materials, with a striking contrast between the dark, modern exterior and the warm, inviting interior glow visible through the windows. Sunlight filters through the dense foliage, creating dappled patterns on the manicured lawn. A contemporary, minimalistic house situated in a lush, tropical forest setting, showcasing an elegant fusion of nature and modern architecture. The exterior features large glass panels, allowing the interior warmth of ambient lighting to shine through against the backdrop of verdant greenery. The scene is bathed in soft morning light, enhancing the natural colors of the surroundings. A wooden deck extends towards a tranquil pond, surrounded by carefully landscaped gardens filled with various tropical plants and illuminated by subtle garden lights. A serene, modern garden scene showcasing a blend of natural elements and contemporary design. The setting features a wooden deck seamlessly transitioning to a tranquil garden, adorned with a rocky pathway and strategically placed boulders. A sunlit ambience highlights the glass walls of the house, reflecting warm tones from the wooden structure. Soft, neutral colors dominate the outdoor cushions, positioned on a pebbled area surrounded by lush greenery.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.